Hey guys, and welcome back to Startpreneur. In our previous tutorial, we looked at how to create whiteboard animations using renderforest. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to create 3D animations on renderforest. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for more videos on my channel. So, if you are ready for this, let's get started. So, for us to be able to create our 3D animations, we first need to visit the renderforest website. So just type and search renderforest from Google or any browser of your choice. So let's go to Google. Yes, this will take you to the official renderforest website. Now that you are on the official renderforest website, what you need to do is just scroll down a bit and tap on the Get Started button. You will be asked what you want to do, either to create a video, a logo, a mockup, or a website. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to focus on the video option. So straight away, we just click on video to proceed. So after selecting video, you will be provided with a whole lot of templates to select from. You have 3D explainer toolkit, clean line, star logo, whiteboard animations, multicolor logo, and so on. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to focus on the 3D explainer toolkit. So straight away, we tap on 3D explainer toolkit to process and load the template for us. Now, scroll down a bit and select create now. So it will load and process for you. After you click on create now, you will then be provided with a lot of options to create your video. There are 3 options over here. That's add scene, load a preset, and type a script. For the add a screen, that's add a scene. That's where you'll be able to add different kinds of scenes together and merge them together as one video. With the load a preset, you will be provided with already made stories. Then you select it and edit it to suit your work. Then with the type your script, you have to type whatever that you want to do. Then automatically the website will generate a best match for your work. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the load a preset. So straight away we select load a preset, then we scroll down and select create. Now, after selecting on create, you'll be provided with a whole lot of templates over here that you can select from. So we have real estate business promotion, social networking site promotion, career center promotion, dynamic product promotion, home security system introduction, online store, whole lot. We have social media promo video, a whole lot, creative corporate party announcement, airline promotional video, and so on. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the creative corporate party announcement. So straight away, we look for the creative corporate party announcement. So it's here. So you look for it and you tap on it. Then you click use ready story. Now, the template will be opened up for editing. So you see all the various scenes over here. And what you'll be doing at this point is that you just have to select any of the scenes over here. Then you edit them to suit what you are doing. So for instance, let's say I select this first select this first scene. You see that on the scene there's a text box over here that's written, "Hi, I am an animated character." So click on that text box, and then you edit the text over there to suit what you are going to do. So, "Hi, I am John." There's an option for you to select the size of your text. So you can either increase, or decrease the size of your text. And then there's an option over here for you to be able to select the font type that you want to use. When you are done, you click on save and continue. Then you go to the next scene. Then you tap on the text box. Then you edit it. You change the size of your text, the font type. Then you are good to go. You select another one. Then you do same for all the scenes that you want to use for your work. When you are done with that, you see on top below where the search bar is, you can see that there's another bar over there. You see that there's an icon like an edit over there. Next to it is another icon. Next to it is another icon. So what you need to do is that the first thing that we've done is what we've done right now is the editing part. So now we move to the next part. That's where we are going to select the look and feel of our animation. So you can select 3D look or the flat look. So we select 3D look. Then we proceed to the next one. But before that, there is an option for you to select the transition of your animation. So there are a whole lot of transition animation here. That's transition with shape, transition with liquid transitions, and then 3D transitions, and then no transitions. So you can select any of these for your animation. So let me select this one. Then there is an option for you to change the font type you want. So you can actually change the font type to over here. When you are done, you move to the next one. The next one is the colors. So you can either decide to change the colors of your animations. So you can select any of the colors here. Then you click on generate to apply the colors to your work. Then you proceed to the next icon over there. The next icon is adding a music or a voice note. So you can either click on that icon, then you scroll down to add voice. Then you go to add new. Then you upload either a recorded one already on your device, or you can record straight away onto the video. Then there's an option over here for you to also add music to your project. When you are done with all these editions, what you need to do is just proceed to the next icon over there and tap on it. Now you'll be provided with some video qualities over here. The first one is the low quality video format, and then the second one is the high quality video format. With renderforest, for you to be able to use the high quality video format, you need to subscribe and pay for it. But with the low quality, that one is for free. So we are going to use that one for now. So just scroll down below the low quality, you tap on free preview. That's where you'll be able to preview your work. Now it will process and load the video for you. Okay, it's still processing. Okay, so this is it. So it says your video is in the queue. So it's going to load until it's done. So let's wait for it to finish processing. You can see that your video is exporting. So it's done exporting. You see rendering finished, applying audio and other stuffs. So let's wait for it. Then one thing you need to know is that when your video is done exporting, it will be saved in my projects in renderforest. You can always go to the menu, then you go to my projects to view it. Now the video is done. So let's try and play and look at how it is. So this is it. Okay. Okay. So this is the video we just created. So what you need to do now is for you to go to look at the right of your screen and tap on the download button to download it, because now it has been saved on the website, all right, but it's not on your mobile device. So tap on the download icon over here. Then it says, do you want to download? Then you say yes and download. So it will be downloaded and saved into your gallery. So let's try opening it from gallery rather, because I was having issues with the site. Okay, so this is it. Hi, I'm John Yakubu. Okay, so it goes like that. And that's your 3D animations over here. So guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.